You have a strategic decision right now. Do you want to generalize or do you want to specialize? There's just no two ways about it. And if you choose to generalize, then you better be the Maiden of your industry. You better be the Tesco of your industry. Does that make sense? But if you want to specialize, then you've got to be special. You got to be the Taiko of that particular thing. So it's a choice that you've got to make. And remember the growth matrix that I showed? If you want to penetrate into your market like crazy, you've got to really specialize. You've got to be the best in what you do, and then you could just get into the angle into the market right there. And here's the thing, I talk about innovation, right? So if you do not innovate in your industry, it's going to be really scary. Now, the innovation and creation is two different words. Being creative is awesome, but being innovative makes you really, really rich. You don't have to come up with an absolutely new product or new services. All you need to do is just innovate that little bit and you'll be amazingly rich. And I want to challenge you, whatever industry that you're in right now, all you got to do is just do 1% innovation, 5% innovation. Okay, a couple of years ago, we were still talking about websites and being on the internet. Right now, it's about mobile. Imagine going to the 1970s when the first computer was built, and you could go back in time and show this amazingly powerful machine. What do you think they'll do? They'll drop dead, right? Because they see something this powerful. This is a smartphone, and it's not an expensive Candy Crush machine. It's more than just a Facebook updating machine. It's your weapon. And mobile revolution, there's going to be there's going to be mobile phone screens than there are toothbrushes. There's going to be more mobile phone screens than there are TV screens. Now, what I see is the mobile revolution is here. And there's nothing bigger than the mobile revolution that has ever come in the history of human beings than since the internet itself. So if we miss this, we're going to miss a very, very big thing. So you don't have to create an absolutely new product on mobile, but you could maybe use an existing product service, but you deliver it through innovative distribution channels like the mobile phone and mobile revolution and stuff, right? So the mobile phone is a mega trend that we cannot ignore. This is the change that we have to see. In life, there are a lot of waves. There's a lot of waves that come, and sometimes we let it pass by. The internet came, we let it pass by. Social media came, we said, hey, you know what? Social media is only for Gen Y, Gen Z stuff. It's the trendy hipster stuff. But you know how young people can overtake and kill giants just with social media and create amazing value right there.